Damage to an exterior rendered wall can leave you with an unsightly hole that spoils the view and leaves the brickwork vulnerable to weather damage. Artex Easifix Exterior Render Repair Kit is ideal for repairing such damage. It's long-lasting, weather-resistant and bonds strongly to existing render. The kit is enough to fix a 400 mm diameter hole at 20 mm depth, and it comes with everything you need. 5 kilos of render, a filling knife, gloves, and a mixing tool and bucket so you can get started straight away. Before starting work, always ensure you use appropriate protective wear. To prevent possible irritation to your skin, we recommend you use the supplied gloves. Here's a tip. For a more flawless application, we advise lightly chipping out the damaged area into a rectangular shape. Then remove any loose debris with a brush. It's worth putting masking tape around the edge of the repair area so you don't mark the existing render. Gradually add the bag of render to 800 milliliters of clean, cold water. Mix for 2 minutes until you get a smooth, uniformed mix. To ensure optimum adhesion, dampen the area lightly before applying the render. Use the filling knife or mixing tool to apply the render to the damaged area and fill out to the required depth, up to a maximum of 25 millimeters. Avoid feathering out too thinly around the edges. If a textured effect is required, use a coarse sponge on the render immediately after application. Gently push and pull away from the surface to create a stippled effect. Alternatively, use a brush to create a textured effect. Remove the masking tape and any excess render. Blend the edges into the existing render with your thumb or a sponge. Clean the tools and bucket with warm soapy water as soon as you're finished. Allow the repair to cure for at least 2 to 3 days before decorating. Avoid rapid drying out and protect from rain and frost whilst curing. When completely dry, use a good quality exterior paint to match the existing surface color. You may wish to stipple the paint to match the existing render pattern to create a seamless finish. A second coat may be required to ensure even coverage.